Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another beautiful sunrise. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have to be quick because I'm going to yoga. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals. Uniswap pumped 8% yesterday. MCLT up 6.5%. Microsoft was up a little bit. The rest of the market quite flat. Not much movement. IDEX and Solana down quite a bit, 4% on Solana. Bitcoin 42,712. I'm going to show you where I'll do Bitcoin and Solana in this video. Bitcoin pulling back as I thought, coming close to my entry at 41,734 in this symmetrical triangle that you can see building up here. Expected breakout 19th of January with a big bull flag. So I do believe Bitcoin's going to go on the second to third wave to 60k. The trade I would take would open at 41,734, stop loss 41,330, and take profit 60k. Risk to reward 45 times, risking $400 to make $18,000 with no leverage, 10x leverage 180,000, 100x leverage 1.8 million. So again, the trade opens. Actually, I'll make it a little bit less to trend line. Stop loss underneath 14320. Stop loss 41,000. My Bitcoin trades right now, $66,000 in the profits, 448%. The funding rate is getting high, 0.06, everyone, 0.06. When it reaches 0.1, usually that's call for the top. So it's going up very quick, and it's quite costly to keep a trade open. It's around $600 a day now, $500 a day to keep this $288,000 trade open. 7 Bitcoin trade, almost $8,500 in fees, $66,000 in profits, 447%. But again, it is getting quite costly at 0.06 to keep trades open long on Bitcoin. So when it gets to 0.1, that's usually top. This account, 546,000, pulling back a little bit, but still nearing all-time highs. What I'm waiting for on Bitcoin is to see when the volume starts to drop heavily. Stochastic turned down and reset already quite quickly on that little correction. Bitcoin stochastic reset. So Bitcoin is still showing very bullishness, but again, the funding rates are getting very high. Once it reaches 0.1, it's usually the top. So again, to keep trades open is getting costly for people. My trade $66,000 in profits still. So even though it's costly, it's still quite valuable. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're seeing me do under the video, go down below. 1, sign up to the exchanges. You get a $30,000 bonus with Bybit. There's OKX, BingX, and Binance. 2, take the crypto master course, 12 hours of courses where you learn how to trade, how to open long, shorts, etc. And then join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. Let's go into Solana to see where Solana is going to have support. Whoa, Solana pumps so strong from the bottom. Look at that, from $7 all the way to $7 all the way to $127. Crazy move of Solana. If you bought the bottom on Solana when FTX fell, that was a 1,668% pump. Major support on Solana now. There's no major support really because the way it pumped. Major support on Solana, I would say here, $85 is a major support. Where we are right now is also a major support at 106, but it looks like it's going to break through. Next major support to hold on to will be 85. That's where I would expect, actually you could put it even here, 81. That's where I would expect a massive bounce on Solana, and that's where I would go long, if not yet opened along, with a tight stop and take profit again at 126. But I think in a full-on fledged bull market, we could move all the way to resistance, 168. That's the trade I'll take on Solana. I'd make the stop loss a little bit tighter. Which is beautiful. So those are my trades. This is my Bitcoin trade, 66,000 in profit. Again, we got to watch this funding rate very closely. As soon as it gets 0.1, I want everyone in the Telegram to alert me, because that's usually indicating the top, because it's just too costly to keep a trade open. Even my trade now, it's $600 a day to keep open. So even though the account's still pumping, it's quite costly to keep trades open now. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. That's my updates on Bitcoin and Solana. I'm going to watch closely for when Bitcoin tops out at 0.1 funding fee and when the volume starts to drop. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.